Hello everybody, Humblind here. So today I need to stiffen up this hat I've been working on. So I've got some shellac and we'll be stiffening it up. First I gotta take off my hatter's knot and the string ring around it. Get that out of the way. Pull the hat off the hat block. So this is the hat that I'm working on. It's off-white, and what I'm using to stiffen it is the shellac. And from what I've come to learn through my research is that you just paint the shellac on the inside, a nice even coat on the inside, let it dry, and you're good to go. So we're experimenting. It's the first time to be doing it. Hopefully it'll turn out well. We shall see. Well, it really soaks in pretty well. Soaks in pretty good. I'm thinking though that I probably don't need as much as is going in there. So I think I'll do the top with the paintbrush, and I'll give it a hold of a sprayer and I'll spray it on the brim. I think that'll work just as well. Because well, I don't know, we'll see. It's experimenting. This one here, when it hardens up, should be pretty hard and stiff. I would assume so. What do they call them? A bolo hat. A bolo hat is super hard, like the round Chinese hats they use to stop people's knives and stuff like that. With multiple layers of shellac, you can actually make it that bolo style hard, but I don't really want it that hard. I want it to be stiff, but not like a brick necessarily. We'll see. Try not to get it in here too thick. Spread it out as evenly as I can. So if I can hear in the background, I hear some dogs going at it from some neighbors down the way. They got a bunch of female dogs and they're all related except for one, and they've been picking on the one that's not related. We're trying to find a good home for her. She's the one they're picking on is a bull mastiff and Rottweiler mix. She's really friendly, really nice dog. Decent size, but not too overly big. About a year old. And the other ones, the ones that are all related, a mom and two daughters, they're Pit Bull and Cannahula. They're also really friendly, but just not to this other girl dog. I think it may be because they're not, none of them are fixed. Maybe that's the problem, you know. Even girl dogs get, like boy dogs get, aggressive and territorial, all that kind of stuff. Well, I just about got the inside here done. Pretty even coat all on the inside. It's soaking in really well to the the felt. I got this felt from Millinery Supply. I believe they're out of Florida. Non-stiffened. It's 120 gram felt, so it's not too overly thick. But it was cheap. It only cost me $28.99 plus a few dollars in shipping. Figure that's a price worth paying to experiment a little bit and see how we can do. Because buying when you start going to a beaver felt, you know, your Western weight, your 200 gram, 260 gram felts, I mean, for pure beaver, you know, you're looking at spending several $100s or more. I mean, you can spend thousands. In fact, I have a silver belly coming. It's actually coming from France. Silver belly, and it's a Western weight beaver belly fur. That actually is a good price. I think it's $150 is what I spent on it. Still waiting for it to come in the mail, but I got a message from the place there in France that was mailed out yesterday, so it ought to be here in the not too distant future, which I'm excited about. Not sure if it's going to be pre-stiffened or if it's coming not stiffened at all, which is why I'm kind of experimenting today. See if we can't get it down a little bit. One thing about shellac, when it dries, it's non-toxic, which is pretty cool. I guess that's why, you know, people use it on their wood and silverware and they don't die. Because I'm sure if I drink it right now, it would probably be toxic, but when it dries, it's not, interestingly enough. Okay, I got pretty even coat on the inside. I don't know if you can tell the difference. You can kind of see a yellowy color there. And it did soak through onto the top some. Soaked right through because it's, like I said, it's relatively thin. So I'm going to let that dry. And go from there. More for you later.